So, any defects which occur during the digestion of the protein, specifically the absorption of the amino acids, it leads to certain diseases also. You should keep in mind that the transport system which is involved in the transportation of the amino acids, it is almost common in both intestine and the kidneys. So, therefore, the defects, both the system, the renal system and also your digestive system, both are disturbed, both are impaired because of this defects in the uptake of the amino acids. For instance, in one of the most common disease related with the defects in the absorption of the amino acid is the cystinuria. As the name shows, in cystinuria what happens that amino acid cysteine, its absorption is defected, it is impaired. Along with cysteine, also dibasic amino acids like ornithine, arginine or lysine, their uptake is also disturbed. That is why it is known as COL, that is cysteine, ornithine, arginine and lysine. It is an inherited disorder and it is one of the most common disease as far as the diseases which involve the digestion of proteins is concerned. All four amino acid in this disease, they can be seen in your urine. So, it is one of the way to diagnose this disease is that in the urine specifically you get a lot of precipitation of the cysteine. It occurs in 1 in 7,000 individuals, which shows that it is not really a rare disease. As far as the symptoms are concerned, of course, I have told you that it involves the precipitation of cysteine, and because of this malabsorption you get kidneys or stones in the kidneys, a disease, a disorder known as also formation of the calculus in the kidneys. Also, I mean, this is something inevitable result of this formation of the stones in the kidney or the accumulation of the calculi in the kidney is that it will lead to the urinary blockage, which is really does not only have some harmful effect for your health, but also very painful thing. You know, one of the best way to deal with this is that hydration. That is why whenever you have such kidney problems like you have kidney stones, you always get advice that you must drink as much as water possible, so that the stones can be excreted because of this along with the urine. Then there is also a heart nerve disorder, that is because of the malabsorption of another very important amino acid, the tryptophan. This disorder occurs because of one of the transporter which is involved in the transport of this neutral amino acid, it is defective. It leads to pellagra like symptoms. Pellagra is a disease of your skin, and why it causes pellagra like symptoms? Because pellagra is caused by the defect in the formation of vitamin B3, and tryptophan also play very important role in the formation of vitamin B3. So, that is why the symptoms of heart nerve disease is like the pellagra, because of the reason that tryptophan is not well, its absorption is defective in this disease. And also it leads to neurological symptoms, which one of them is the schizophrenia, that is also caused by a heart nerve disease.